In 9th and 10th from the foundation course, I realized that my strong subjects are also in maths and physics, so I decided to pursue engineering. Hi friends, my name is Abhishek Jain. I am a 4 years Akash student, 2 years foundation, 2 years JEE from Bangalore. I got to know about Akash from a newspaper ad, and I also saw that Akash is producing consistent results from the past few years, so I decided to join Akash for my JEE journey. The reason mainly being my father being an engineer, I really admired his work life, and I also gathered an interest for maths from a few years. In 9th and 10th from the foundation course, I realized that my strong subjects are also in maths and physics, so I decided to pursue engineering. My preparation strategy for JEE was to understand the concepts properly and then solve as many problems as possible before the exam so that I can finish the topic once and for all. I didn't face any major issues in maths and physics, but in chemistry I faced many issues. One of them was organic. I overcame it by the guidance of my teacher and practice. In the last months before JEE mains, I tried to cover all the little bit backlogs which I had from 11th and 12th. And also the final test series which I wrote, it was useful for me to identify my weak topics and I again revised them. I think discipline is very important in JEE preparation. I kept myself disciplined by keeping daily goals and prioritizing them over anything else. This also helped me keep me away from distractions such as movies and animes, which I was very fond of once upon a time. I kept myself away from stress by taking consistent breaks in between my preparation. I think breaks are very important as they help you calm down little by little. In my leisure time, I used to play volleyball and table tennis, which really helped me calm down and also gave me some physical activity. I personally believe that sleep is a very important part of the preparation. I personally slept around 8 to 9 hours every day so that I can have an active day throughout. Not sleeping enough sometimes caused me to remain sleepy almost the full day and lose all my productivity, so I think sleep is very important for the preparation. I personally didn't have a constant study time every day, but I tried to put at least 5 to 6 hours of study every day so that I can finish my daily goals. I tried completing all the Akash study material before I moved on to the reference books, and those study materials were always recommended to me by my teachers. For physics, I used Physics Galaxy, and for chemistry, JEE. My experience with Akash was very good. I think I really managed to push past my limits and realize my real potential. My advice to the future JEE aspirants who are going to go on this 2-year long journey would be to maintain the constant discipline and also get all your concepts as clear as possible. Make sure to ask your teacher doubts, don't be scared, so that you can build up on your concepts as much as possible. Also practice very hard. All the best for your preparation.